Today we're in the tournament gallery, and I thought it would be nice to show you a little bit behind the scenes as we work to care for the objects in this gallery and the cases that they're in. Getting into the galleries is a really important way for us to bring together experts from all over the museum to care for our objects and the spaces that they're in. One of the most important things that people will see us doing in the galleries at the moment is housekeeping, basically cleaning. We'll be getting into the cases and cleaning inside them, and we'll also be cleaning outside the cases and around them, just to make sure that there's no dust around and about the objects that could damage them. Another thing that we do in the galleries is that we repair broken display elements. Every so often we'll notice labels in the museum that are peeling or faded, or with information that's maybe out of date following new research. So we also take this opportunity to replace those labels and make sure that we're giving our visitors all of the information that they could need. It's great to be able to talk to people about what we're doing, and also to give them maybe a different perspective on the collection than they would normally get on an ordinary visit.